Picturesque, isn't it? Does this vast, white, undulating field make you feel like you are somewhere in Kashmir? But if you look a little carefully at the seemingly virgin white spectacle, you will see actually the dust settling down. This snowy covered place is the dumping yard for Asia's biggest marble trading center in Kishangarh, a very popular destination for film shooting, as people call it, the Gulmarg of Rajasthan. Gundala Lake and an imposing royal fort are the symbol of magnificence that you must explore when you visit Kishangarh. Just 27 kilometers from Kishangarh Airport, an emerald oasis, Ajmer, lies in a valley surrounded by the imposing Aravalli range. It is a heritage city and one of the most popular tourism destinations in Rajasthan. Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti's Dargah, or Khwaja Gharib Nawaz as popularly called by his devotees, is the holiest Muslim shrine in India. It's a majestic and massive monument situated right at the heart of the city. And it's thronged by thousands of pilgrims from all over the world every day, who can be seen praying and offering chadar and flowers at the dargah. Early morning Qawwali is an enchanting experience. People tie a moli or the sacred red and yellow thread to the door and pledge to come back when their wishes are fulfilled. You should also see the Badi Deg and Choti Deg, which is used to prepare the Meetha Chawal or Zarda for the devotees. Just next to Dargah Sharif, Dhai Din Ka Jhopda is a large and imposing structure in the city of Ajmer. Originally a Sanskrit college and a temple of Saraswati, it was later converted into a mosque by Qutubuddin Aibak on the orders of Muhammad Ghori. Dhai Din Ka Jhopda literally means shed of 2.5 days. A legend states part of the mosque was built in 2.5 days. But some Sufis claim that the name signifies a human's temporary life on the earth. As per modern historians, the name probably came from a 2.5 day long fair that used to be held at the site during the death anniversary of Punjaba Shah. It came to be known as a jhopda or shed when fakirs started gathering here to celebrate. The Akbar's palace was built in by the great Mughal emperor Akbar. It was built to serve as a home to the king during his visits and pilgrimages to Ajmer. During the British occupation in Ajmer, a portion of Akbar's palace was converted and changed into a museum in 1908. Figurines dating back to the 6th and 7th century, along with military armor and weapons, are displayed in the museum. The Palace Museum not only boasts of a grand collection of weapons and armor, but also has some of the most exclusive stone sculptures. The Ajmer Jain Temple, also known as Soni Ji Ki Nasiyan, is an architecturally rich Jain temple. Dedicated to Lord Rishabdev, the first Jain Tirthankara, the temple belongs to the Digambar sect of Jainism. The main chamber, known as the Swarna Nagari or City of Gold, has several gold-plated wooden figures depicting several figures of the Jain religion. The Jain temple is one of the best Jain temples in Rajasthan and also one of the top places to visit in Ajmer. Taragarh Fort was built under the reign of King Ajaypal Chauhan. Most impressive part of this fort is unfortunately now in ruins. During its heyday, Taragarh Fort was known for its tunnels crisscrossing the entire hillside. This fort at one time belonged to Prithviraj Chauhan, an epitome of courage and patriotism. You can see his memoriam on your way to his beloved Durg Taragarh. Nareli Jain Temple is another striking monument of the Jain faith. It's a new Jain temple situated on the outskirts of Ajmer on the Aravalli mountain range. The temple is slightly angular in shape and boasts of contemporary architectural pattern. The Nareli Jain temple complex consists of 24 temples, each dedicated to the 24 Jain Tirthankaras. The breathtaking and gorgeous Anasagar Lake is a magnificent artificial lake that is located in the heart of the city. A visit to this lake is a must when you are in Ajmer. Do not forget to take a camera to capture the fantastic and heavenly views that are likely to behold you, especially the breathtaking view at the time of sunset. You can also take a boat ride and visit a small island in the Anasagar Lake. Maharana Pratap statue and laser light show is another must-see when you are in Ajmer. It's located at a distance of 8 kilometers from Ajmer city, between Pushkar and Ajmer. One can see a very impressive bronze statue of Maharana Pratap sitting on his favorite horse Chetak. This impressive laser show focuses on the different aspects of culture and the history of the region. Ajmer has much to offer. So, to book a flight ticket to Kishangarh, visit www.spicejet.com. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe on our videos.